Hello guys, welcome to our channel. On today's video I'll show you how you can change your WhatsApp tone. Alright, so that can be done through the settings. So let's open the WhatsApp application. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go through the settings on the top right, tap and then tap on settings. Okay, and here's the third option called notification. All right, and under that we have the settings of message, group and call tones. Okay, tap on that, and the first one you can see the notification tone, right? So right now I have like default blink tone, so I can change the different tones from here. Even I can pick tones from my memory. Okay, if you do have any preferred songs or if preferred tone, you can just upload it on your memory and pick from that. All right, so okay, I can change my tone to different tones, so I think I'll go with the default one right now. Okay, so that's how you can change your WhatsApp tone. So let me repeat that again. So go through the settings. All right, then go through the notifications, then go through the notification tone and pick the tone you'd like to change with. Thank you so much for watching.